Okay, so we are on our way up to Estroden's ranch. You want to say hi, Alex? Hi. Want to say hi, babe?
Hi.
We're very excited. It's going to be a great time. We're going up. We're going to celebrate an early Halloween. I'm not going to tell you what our costumes are, but you'll find out soon enough. Super excited. I overpacked like usual, and we're hitting the road now. So we just stopped and we got some snacks. I got arguably the best snacks ever, which is a tuna sandwich and spicy Doritos. If you haven't put spicy Doritos inside a tuna sandwich yet, you're missing out and you haven't lived life yet, and you need to do it immediately. We stopped at a random Starbucks because I have to teach a class and then we're gonna get back on the road. This is JoJo. Yeah. Waiting all day for you, babe. But you come and sit and talk to me. Tell me how we're gonna be together always. No! Wow, look at how pretty this is. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. It feels fake. Gorgeous. We are almost there. Look how pretty. Wow. It's almost the disco oasis. Almost. So we're making scarecrows. Who knew that you could actually do that? I definitely did not. I thought you just bought scarecrows.
Says one of those California girl accent.
Wait,
oh
show me your scarecrow face.
Scarecrows. I thought you just bought them from the farm.
But look, I'm stuffing a scarecrow right now. I don't know if it's gonna work though, but just for everyone else who lives in Long Beach and has never done something like this.
The gap.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty when it's wet and dangerous.
Oh, you got too poofy. I can't do it anymore.
You can do it, you can do it.
Oh no, that one's not loose. I can't do it.
I think I lost them.
Chef's doing the good work. They're literally like, we thirsty. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I got the roosters and everyone's so big. Hi everybody. What's up, friends? Oh, you're so cute.
Blow up the decorations. Put on the electricity.
Woo! Yeah! Hey! Look at our cute little shadows. And my ponytails at your braids. They're so cute. Oh! Oh no! I can do it better. 1 second. Yeah!
Nice. More aerodynamic with this head.
Nice.
Here, let me help him out.
Yeah, look at him.
He needs help. He's coming alive. He's coming alive. Oh! Yeah. Ah!
I like how they are out so quiet.
That's so quiet.
It actually know where he is.
Nice.
Again! Why do you want my
2, 3.
Oh, shit. So cool.
air?
Yeah.
Why do you make that look so fun?
It's so much fun.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, the excitement.
I hope that photo comes out because that'll be awesome.
Hey, Bobby.
Howdy.
Howdy. Who's this conehead? What the fuck? Oh no. Oh no. Bye, cows, and bye to the Estroden. We're back on the road. We're leaving. Here we go. Bye, moss trees.
You're not so pretty. Wait.
Da-na-na-dun, da-na-na, da-na-na-dun, da-na-na-na-na, da-na-na-dun, da-na-na, dun-da-dun, dun-da-dun, dun-da-dun. We're leaving now. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
live there.
This is the end of the video. Dun-dun-dun. We love the Estroden.
Open the
Look
key.
at me.
Oh, wait,
Open the
is
gate.